Okay, it looks like we are live. So welcome back. Today I'm going to be continuing to work on Kano. Yeah, completely brand new. Brand new stream. Brand new stream indeed. Let's see. So I'm going to be working on some issues with the considering what I was working on before, right? Last stream, which was definitely not 5 minutes ago. Um so with the brackets, right? So we have some issues with that, and then when we undo it, it crashes. So I want to fix that. Let's see. Right, it's crashed because the size is not correct. We're so back, yes. It doesn't seem to be any better on my end with the delay, so yes. Also, I need to get used to the delay now. Yeah. I really don't want to splice the VODs together, so it takes way too long. My computer, not good for that. I don't like editing. 18 an hour and have free public transport ticket if you're employed at McDonald's, which already $18 an hour. Not here, not here. I think the starting pay is like 10 or 12 here. I know. At the McDonald's. Uh, yeah, it's not any better though. It didn't fix anything. Very nice. Hi Stam, how you doing? It's been a while, How you doing today? I'm quite well on this brand new day. Brand new day. Yeah, how are you doing today? How do I do this? Not here, where I live. Something is freezing. My Yeah, it's not any better. It actually might be worse, to be honest. Might be worse. Insert the character, and that's all fine. That's all fine. And we set that there, right? And the start gets created here. We insert the character. But this undo, right? See, so that creates a lot of problems when we undo the cursor, and then the next time we insert, it's gonna be the same as the end, right? So that doesn't quite work. It is better. It's not better for me, so that's interesting. But we'll just make do, right? I suppose. That does actually fix that, but it doesn't, it doesn't work at all now. Right, so that is, this thing creates the issue. Let's get rid of it. Let's just not do that, It's gonna work very strangely. But let's, get it to a point where it works. Do that, and then we can just undo it all, and it still does not work. What the heck? Right, because I think we need to do this. Is that why it does not work? Yeah, okay, so that works, right? If I do this, and go here, and do that, and go there, and do that, and do that, and undo it. It has to undo it a few times, but that does work. So that works. So now we need to work around changing the cursor position. Really smooth. Glad to hear it. It really shouldn't be, because the bit rate is kind of tanked, but if it is, then it is, so that's very good. You didn't have without the delay. I don't know what that means. Oh, with the delay, you have issues that you did not have. That is strange. I don't know. I do not know. I don't know. It's all so tiresome. No. Right, so this works. Let me think. Sometimes your camera cuts out? Really? I don't know why that would be. Wait, the camera like the webcam or like the screen? IRL streams when? I'm good. Well, the audio, it doesn't take as much to send it, right? Okay. Do we need to even do this? Yes. Okay, so we do need it. I thought so. The webcam. I don't know why I would do that. Why that would cut out separately? That is strange. I have no idea. I do not know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Where are we at? So we need to do that. We need to change the cursor position without it breaking everything, right? Let's see. If I do this, right, then we have a problem. Because the cursor is now different than where the start position is at. But we can't just change the start position, because then it overlaps. So what do? We need to create a whole new one, basically, here. Right, so what if we do this, right? So it's going to be kind of strange, and it'll need some work, but it's not working. And yeah, you can see this issue arises, right? Lives at a farm where 1/8 of the population use the internet or have heard of it. Not quite. USA, USA, USA. Already has the plan for his career if he burns out after doing countless hours of programming. Farmer, yes. Well, that's the plan anyway, right? To be a farmer. Right, so this... Yeah, but then the start still overlaps, so that creates problems. I need to think. So when we move backward, right? Let's say that. We move the cursor back, right? So we press, we can do left arrow. We set the end, and then we do this, right? What if we do that? That's what we'll want to do. This whole thing. So this could be a function, right? But we'll get there. So instead of just moving left, we'll do all this. I'll leave it indented differently like that. And get rid of all of these. Right, so then it doesn't crash. It's still not working completely correct, but we want something like that. Just a non-standard way to get there. True, very true. Should I be a wheat farmer? Let's see. Right, so that's a better way of handling it, I think. So if we do that, let me think. We can do that, but then we need to do the same thing for the other one. It creates an extra one, but we kind of need to do that in this scenario, right? But these we want it to change as well, except we want to move right. Move to the right, and then actually, let's see, how do we do it when we move right? Right arrow. Oh yeah, we do it the same way, so we're all good. But we will use move right. It's more like it did when there was no delay. W, and their stream elements, 0 delay. That is the soul to eon. Very true. Very true. Wise words. We need to repeat this several times. We don't really want to create that many. So no, it's based. Very true. Right. Let's see. I'm gonna try a few different ways to do this before we do that. That's not quite right. The indentation's a little weird, but let's what is this? What happened exactly here? Hang on. I don't want to do this. I don't want to insert the character that. No. That's not right. Right, so that is closer. Alright, that is something. What is this? Why is this here? I can't get rid of it because it was used. For this else. Oh, I see. Okay. Yeah, because the indentation is throwing me off. I see. So it ends here? That's not right. OBS doing weird stuff. Moving to Bergamo. Is that how you pronounce that? Next week to a new flag. W. W. Congratulations. What is that emote? What's it called? Dino Dance. W. Okay, there you go. So that looks more clear. Do we want to do this though? I don't think so. Best city, best people, best culture, best food. I've been there too. Can confirm. I've been there countless times. I've actually been everywhere in the world that exists. Okay. That kind of works, right? It's not quite right, but it is something. So the indentation isn't right now. Did I... Is it because of this, right? Let's just make it look right. Yes. Well, almost. It doesn't quite indent properly. Does the undo work, though? It seems to be about right. Like, pretty close. You know, close enough, I suppose. Kabi in Europe? No, I've never been to Europe. Only America. Okay. This needs to be the same thing with the move left, but it doesn't work right. Actually, do you want to move left, say? Yeah, okay, so that's what we want to do. Okay. That looked pretty close, you know? So undo it moves a little improperly. Right, like we get an extra one basically, but I think we need to change how this is handled as well. Gonna go sleeping because you need to wake up early. Goodbye. Have a good one. Have a good rest. Do this. Without that. And can I get rid of this? Okay. It's always. Alright, alright. Okay, that seems pretty good. That seems pretty good. I will commit that for the moment. Okay. Okay, it's closer. Yeah, alright, that seems much better. Right, it's not crashing. It's not crashing anymore. Like it was before. So we can let me get rid of some of that stuff. And then I probably need to make a function for something like this. Because really this can be used for all of them, right? So this, if you have pass the number of loops, right, the number of iterations you want to do, you pass this number, or you pass 1 if it's something like this one, right? Because we do the same thing. We set the current undo end, and then we push if necessary. Then we do all this, and then create this, right? So all of that could be, because we do it a few times. Well, okay. Here, though, let's get it like that. All right, let's try that. Let's take all of this, and this will be a function. So that what is that? It's going to be basically, well, how do I want to do that? Crashing equals no bloat. That's true. If the program's not running, it can't be bloated, right? That's a fair point. How's this going to be called? Right, so what is it doing basically? So we create, it's basically undo move left, right? I'll just call it that there, but I'll probably change it. I know that there is an I there that I inserted, but I'll fix it in a second. Okay, under move left, we need state, state. Alright, and we set that, and then we also need the, it's going to be none. And it's going to be state buffer, right? Okay. It's awesome. Make sure that compiles. Does indeed, okay. And yeah, we can just call this then instead. So undo move left. And we also can do one for all of these, right? Since they are pretty much the same. They just move in different directions. You're in the VC in the Sarge server, okay. This guy Nick, and he's been there for a couple of years. Alright, alright. One of the most active on the server, okay. Guess how many commits he's made? 2. Oh, gracious. Response. Right, so it does all that, so we can do that. This one also, we just want to do it once. Get rid of all of these, right? Yeah. So try that. Okay, that seems pretty good. And then we can also use it, I think we use it here as well. 0, really? Okay. Why? Why would it be 0? So does it just like contribute theoretically or like what? Is this is 1? Okay. Bang it. There we go. Very nice. Okay, so that works. We can use up here for the, this could be handled move left, right? But the left arrow, where is it? Left arrow, there we go. Because it's basically the same thing, right? Do that, move left, right? Yeah. And also, I think we have, well, it's insert, yeah. So it's just for insert. R. Perfect. Okay, very nice. He talks about language design and can't get himself to even make an indentation PR. Bruh. Bruh. Okay. Now, yeah, I need to actually repeat this for here as well. This is basically just this. Except we use big dot event times state of places minus 1. Okay. Bang. Nick Goto, true. Don't know it, but true. Okay. Yeah, so that's pretty good. That's pretty good. That really did fix quite a few problems. I feel like it's more convoluted necessarily than it could be. But we do need to handle both branches, so I'm not sure. But that works, and then, yeah, we can make one for moving right and stuff, but we don't do that as often, so it's not as important. Let's see. I can get rid of these as well. Okay. Also, this guy, Haven, whom you called Brandon throughout a whole VC call. Bruh. And he didn't say anything? Or like, he kept calling him that? Or did he not know that you were addressing him? Okay, yeah, that seems to work quite well. Wait, bracket. Okay. Okay, yeah, going well, going well. Right. Nobody knew who you were talking about. Bruh. Okay. Yeah, this as well. I feel like there's some repetition here. So we do that. Let me push it. Create that. Yes, I do remember notes, Brendan. Yes, I do recall. Let's call it actually handle move left, right? There's one down here. There we go. Build that. Okay, and let's make it for these ones as well. So handle move down. Right, it may be useful for other cases as well. Probably some place I could use it. Handle move down, and that will, yeah, basically just do this. Right, so the same thing, it's just a different function. So maybe we could even do it more than that. Better, but I'll just make a whole new function for it, right? Yeah. Okay, let's do a few of those. So down. Then we copy this, and we just need to change the function name. So maybe that could be a macro. Up, and then right. Okay, let's replace all of these. So up. Whoops, what? Okay. And let's see, build it. And there's issues. Nice. Yeah, okay, I know what's up. I know what's up. Empty. Right, I could just declare it at the top, and I'm not going to do that. I would change all of that. Okay. I need that for each one. Alright. Perfect. Issue W, true. I love it when things don't work. And unused parameter. Why is it? Oh shoot! I want to do this actually. I forgot. That's kind of important. The video cuts out for a few seconds, but you can totally hear the voice. Dang, it's still doing that. Bruh. I wish it would just not do that at all. Okay, there we go. So now all that works. There's probably a few places I could use that function as well. But yes, that is nice. What is this? Yes, I don't use that anymore, so that's great. Actually, I'm thinking, maybe I do need that. Really stable otherwise. So other than the being unstable, it's quite stable. I do that. And if I say escape a bunch of times, okay, it doesn't do that. Interesting. Okay. The video just finished for like 2 seconds and then come back. You can always hear. That is unfortunate. Yes, the hearing is good, but the rest of it is not. Yeah, I'll probably go pretty soon then, since it's not doing too well. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe if I stream earlier next time. Again, I'm not sure if I'll be able to stream tomorrow, but I need to find an ideal time where it works, because it's kind of based on the time of day. Based on the time of day, yeah. make quotes auto close. That wouldn't be very hard to do, I feel like, but fine, 80% of the time. 80% of the time, it's working 100% of the time, right? Sometimes, yeah, like I said, it kind of goes out, and then it comes back, and that's what causes the causes that. But then sometimes it just stays connected, right? Yeah, so anywhere where we change the count, I would rather use that. Use that, because that throws some things off. But yeah, that works. That works. Anyway, we change the cursor, right? Let me do that, but that's fine. Right, yeah. But that was most of what caused the issues, it would seem. Let me try writing like an actual program. So include that. The timing's not right because I did not see a thing. So then if I undo that, it doesn't work at all. Very nice. Hide your brother saints and make them search for them while you're streaming. Bruh. Interesting. Interesting idea. What caused doing that one? Oh. Why did they do that? I think I know why. It was almost working. It was almost working. So select that. Sorry, brothers, bro. Let's see. Is it dead entirely? It's frozen for me. And now my OBS. Okay. Where'd it go? Right here. Yeah, so with this one. Valgrind. Yeah, I know what the issue is, though. No, it's good. Okay, it just froze for me. I don't know why. Right. Yeah. What the heck? That's it. So, right. I think what it does is it... Well, no. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, maybe I do need to do Valgrind. I wonder how bad it looks. I need to run the debug one? Wait, what? Fatal error at startup. Really? Create undo a macro. Just because it's not... Actually, why is it? Let me think. I guess it could be a function, right? Right. I think I made it a macro because before I was not setting it like this, and it said it was modifying a variable, but then it evolved to be this. So I guess it could be a function, but whatever, you know. Yeah, it could be. But when it was created, initially, it was not able to be. So that is why. Right, so what is this? Something to do with string compare. Let me run the, make that. Make debug. Valgrind. Types generic. Well, so it's a specific kind of thing, right? Creates a specific undo, and the undo contains information for it. Evolution project benchmark reminding. Oh yeah, you want me to try it out? I can do that in a second. File goes out. It still does that. Do I get more information on it? Okay, I can't even run it. What the heck? Okay, yeah, there seems to be some issues. I'll fix it next time. I might actually work on an odd thing because I would like to fix that. So work in progress. Issues. Start out with Valgrind. And I'll come back to that. Pushing main because it's already broken. So performance is not the great. Okay. Yeah, let me go to that. Yeah, so then I will end the stream. But let me close that all up. It's fix the bug. Nah, I don't want to fix it right now. I'll work on an off stream because it's kind of convoluted, right? Yeah. Thin rust. Okay. Yes, now we have to wait through this again. Very happy. Very happy. Very happy about it. Next one, then it gets even worse. Very true. Almost there. I wish all programming languages were the exact same speed as Rust at compiling. It's almost there now, though. Almost there. Meditate. Almost there. Future plans, yeah. The sky? Nah. What's the sky look like? I've never actually been outside. Whoops. Okay, there we go. Oh yeah, oh, it looks pretty cool too. Yeah, it feels very smooth, very smooth. Let's look over here. This guy's kind of slow. How responsive? Yes. Yes, indeed. Probably can't tell on the video, but doesn't look very good. Drought and rain. Very cool. Yeah, it feels a lot smoother for sure. This is a very cool project. Like I just died. Press 2. Ooh, okay. Very nice. You can see that's pretty cool. Condition right now is rain. No, it's normal. Okay. These guys are really slow. And one guy's fast. This guy right here. I have the plant's mass. Yeah. Yeah. I see. Kind of hurts my eyes to look at. I don't know why. Relaxing to watch, yeah. These guys are all very fast. When drought happens after rain, it's Joker. So does rain like increase the number of plants and then drought will decrease it? Or how does that work? They eat up and then can't satisfy their needs when the new conditions and fewer plants. Right. Yes, that's what it is. Okay, okay, that makes sense. It really fell off. There was like 1,300 before, now there's 900. They eat up and gain skills and stuff because they know that they won't have problems with eating. Right. They're getting back up there now. So is drought rare? Because I haven't seen it yet, or maybe I haven't been paying attention. Is it? I'm assuming it's more rare than the other conditions. I mean, one kind survives. Okay. One can adapt and change to conditions. Right, right. Makes sense. I feel like this is not good for the bit rate of the video. Looks like it's not. Like the, particles. Almost up to 2,000. Equal probable. Okay. Smooth right now. Okay. I don't know. It just looks like I have it pulled up over here where I can see it, and it looks very not good. But I don't know. I don't know. Yes, very cool. And it definitely still is smooth, even after running. So that's very cool. What are plants over there? I have to run over to darkness to find plants. Right. Dang. Watched him die. Much enough. Right. Yeah, this is very cool, Stan. Very cool. And let me. Yes, I was just pulling up the. Minimize that. Pulling up this, yeah. So I'll put it in the description again on the YouTube. On the YouTube. The drought comes as Joker, yes. Winter normal is basically a tiny drought, right? Right, that makes sense. Because, oh, now it's drought right now. Okay. Okay. Let's see what happens. Plants are decreasing. Yeah, decreasing quite a bit. All of them are. Have the population. Ripping pieces. For real, for real. Yeah, the population's just dying. All the plants are going away. There's like 60,000 before. Let's go to here. $500 left. And they're all really dying. Now it's back to normal. So we're probably going to go back up there, right? It's still going down. Is it going to get below 300? Looks like it is. Sometimes nobody survives. Yeah, well, it's down to 250 now. Maybe they'll all die. Even though it's normal. You had one case when two kinds survived and split the map into exactly two parts. Really? Yeah, the plants are recovering, but now it's raining though. I feel like they'll probably make a comeback. I kind of wanted to see them all die. I mean, you know, not in an evil way. Yeah, they're coming back now. And there's a lot of plants. Not very many to eat them, so it just kind of fills up. That's pretty cool how it looks like that. You leave it running all night. I'm going to see what happens. Yes, for sure. I bet. Yeah, they're recovering now. So red dots are viruses. So they're infected. I see. I could probably read about it in here, right? Viruses. Press 3. Okay. What does it do? Never mind. What? Okay. Everybody can be infected, right? 3 doesn't work. Okay. Speed virus. Right. And vision virus. Right. Yeah, I remember. Remember about that. Okay. Yeah, I about have to go. Space to prevent drawing. Oh, I see, yes. You should have it speed up when you change the speed so you could sort of accelerate it. Be slightly faster. Okay. Trying to take up not that much performance. Right. Okay. Yeah, I imagine most of it is the calculations. That would make sense. Thanks for the overview. Yes, for sure. Thank you for sharing. This is a very cool project. For real. Let's see. Let me see. I'll go here and let's look at main lines. Yeah, 800 lines just in the main. Very cool. There's no highlighting. No highlighting for rest. Yeah, so I'll put the link in the description of this YouTube video, not the last one though. Yeah, so now there's gonna be 2, but we don't talk about that. Okay. MinOS be huge, for real. Alright, yeah, have a good one, and I'll see you next time. Bye.